So hi everybody, my name is Rosie Croggan and I am the Education Officer on the Unlocking the Severn project. So to start with, thank you so much for joining us here today on our journey up the River Severn. I'm really glad that you can join us here at Diglis Lock Island, just south of Worcester. And where I am right now is actually the old lock gate building workshop. So this is where those big lock gates used to get constructed in order to hold back that immense river water and those canals and help navigation during the industrial times. So this workshop here is actually undergoing renovation at the moment, and we're really excited to give you a kind of sneak preview of this destination where we are going to be holding open days for the public to come and actually see all about the project and the heritage of this site. And also, exciting for me, is we are going to have school groups coming along. So my role as the Education Officer is all about engaging young people and inspiring them about the environment and the project that we're working on. And this site here, we're going to be welcoming groups from spring 2021. You'll be able to book online with Canal and River Trust. Come along here and spend a day with the school group, learning about fish passes and construction, spending some time in the workshop, and then actually walking around to the fish pass at Diglis as well. So that's a nice little segue for where I'm going to take you next, because one thing that we love to do with groups when we bring them is to show them the Weir viewing point. So if you come along with me, you'll get a sneak preview and also get to see some of the beautiful sights of this island. So as I was saying, this is a lock gate building island really, so it's a huge amount of heritage, but the actual location of it is also quite sort of luxurious for us. We're very happy to be working here. And if you come a little bit further along here and look upstream, or rather upriver, you can see that really amazing silhouette of Worcester Cathedral coming into view, and also our little resident cormorant as well, who we like to say hello to when we come along. So as we come around the corner now, you may start to hear a little bit of a roaring sound in the background, and that is actually the sound of the River Severn flowing down the 2-metre high face of the weir. So this weir is the main barrier in the River Severn. It's one of 6 weirs that Unlocking the Severn is working on. It's the largest one, and the fish pass that we are constructing is in fact 100 metres long. So can you hear that sound of that water? And here we go. So this is our weir viewing point. So school groups on their visits will be coming and having a look here. You can see that weir just over my left shoulder there. And that construction site in the background is that fish pass, that deep vertical slot fish pass that's going to be unlocking the river for shad and lots of other species of fish over the indefinite coming years. So we're really excited to be working on this project and to be sort of giving you a sneak preview of that today. While I've got your attention, I will just flag one thing that I'm excited to share about next week, which is half term coming up. And with COVID and the situation with people having to be at home, we've made a real sort of effort to go online and produce lots of digital content. And one thing that we are doing next week is we are hosting a River Kids Learning Hub on Facebook. So make sure you check that out. Unlocking the Severn, along with 5 other Rivers Trusts, are going to be doing a sort of 1-hour takeover between 10 and 4 o'clock on Monday the 26th. And each Rivers Trust and our project is going to be sharing loads of exciting content. You can get engaged, learning about rivers and getting creative as well during your half-term holidays. So thank you so much for joining us. Hopefully you're as inspired as we are, and I can't wait to see where you go next on your journey up the River Severn. See you soon.